sick intro. What's going on, guys? It is Dad Uppo here, and today we're gonna be doing this. Yeah, we're gonna be exploding cokes. Exploding cokes, what you do? Shake them up, throw them on the ground, drink the rest. He's already had a soda, so he drinks none of it.
Yeah, I do.
Well, anyway, guys, let's get right into the exploding coke. So anyway, we have cokes. I have a regular coke.
We have Diet Coke, which explodes better.
Yeah. Alright, so first we're going to do the regular Coke, then we're going to do the Diet Coke. He's already shaking up the Diet Coke. Oh my god! We're going to slam him at the ground.
Guys, look at it.
Oh crap. So we're going to slam it at the ground and it's going to explode. It's going to be awesome.
Alright, guys. I'm going to get filmed shaking the Coke up, slamming it at the ground, and hopefully it explodes. Or having a little fountain so I can drink that, so it's not a complete waste of Coke. Right,
We're
guys?
not wasting stuff.
No, not
No, we're not.
Alright. We're shaking it up.
Throw it across the yard.
I'm slamming it right here.
No, throw it across the yard, then like throw it back and forth.
Alright, fine. Come on.
I can't run. Oh yeah, guys. This yard is infested with dog poop.
Alright, guys. So right here is one Coke.
Throw it up the fence.
Across. Coke. Coke. On.
More Coke.
Coca-Cola.
Okay, good.
Alright,
Throw it
guys.
up the ground. I want to see it.
Okay, let's go shake it up.
And I'm gonna throw it at the ground also. So,
Ready? Oh,
yeah.
The pressure building up.
Let me feel it.
Oh,
Let me feel it.
it's feeling building up.
Oh, I feel that it's getting like the metal's getting softer.
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Oh shit! Drink it! Drink it! Wait, is that sharp?
It's not sharp, guys.
Wait, let me drink some. Not sharp. Okay.
Alright.
Now we're gonna do Diet Coke. Where is it? Diet Coke. Okay.
Quick change of events. It's Coke Mist. Coke Mist, guys. Hey, it's Coke Mist, guys. It's Coke Mist. Whoa, what the? Drink it. Guys, that was epic. Oh, now he's chugging it like a boss. Oh my god, guys. That was epic. The Coke just started missing. I was trying to edit the video, so at least some of it, and then it just started spraying.
over there.
And look, guys, this is what it looks like inside of a Coke bottle.
It looks inside the Coke bottle. Yeah, cool. And same thing, but this is Coca-Cola bottle. Not
Coca-Cola. But you can't see it.
Because it's kind of dark outside. May not look like it, but it's getting pretty dark. See, the sun's going down. And the International Space Station.
Right.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's going to be the end of this episode. Comment down below what you would like to do next, and we're just going to see if we can do it. If you haven't heard our toxic waste video, if we get 3 likes, we're going to make my mom eat the sour waste. I mean, it's toxic waste. We're going to make my mom eat that.
And my mom
Excuse me.
hates sour.
Well,
She hates it. She can't even take like lemons.
alright, my mom hates sour.
She can't even take
She can kind of take spicy. She's like Stevie. No sour,
but a lot of spice.
a little bit of spice. Alright.
I love spicy.
No, you don't.
Shut up. I talk
Alright, anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. Peace.